How do you actually combine two photos in Gemini AI? First, open a browser and go to Gemini AI. Once you're on the platform, open the image or photo editor section. Here, you'll want to upload the two photos you want to merge. Make sure both images are ready. The clearer and the higher quality, the better the result. Next, start typing your prompt. Be specific about how you want the images combined. For example, you can describe the composition, positioning, lighting, something like merge photo A and photo B, place photo A on the left and photo B on the right, add soft sunlight, and blend the background seamlessly. The more detailed your prompt, the more natural and polished the final image will look. If you need inspiration for prompts, you can check sites like PromptC, FlowGPT, or even AI art communities on Reddit. These can give you ideas on phrasing, styles, and effects. Hit generate and wait for the AI to process. If it doesn't look quite right, tweak your prompt and try again. Small adjustments can make a big difference. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.